I'm Edie Lush. I'm here in the Hub Culture Pavilion in Davos. Very pleased now to be joined by Carl Ganter. He's the founder and director of Circle of Blue. Now, you've been doing a lot of work on water, one of the interesting subjects we've been talking a lot here in the pavilion about. Tell me a little bit about what you've been doing, what you're here at Davos to talk about.
Yeah. Well, Circle Blue is the leading platform for news, science, and data focused on global water issues. So we use the superheroes in those fields, and we dispatch them into the field to find out what's happening. So we roll up our sleeves and we get dirty. And then we take the data, we take the narrative stories, and then we package that and publish that. But what that gives us is a chance to look at the major trends. And some of the major trends we're seeing, and one of the major themes here in Davos, is the water, energy, food nexus. In fact, they published a new book, Water Security, with that subtitle. And that led us to look at something we call a choke point between water and energy. Looking at these big collisions, where are the big trends? And one of the big trends we spotted is that in the US, this is through our reporting, a big series we published last summer, through our reporting is that the US and other major economies, but the US is facing just around the corner a major collision point between water supply and energy demand. It takes a lot of water to extract the hydrocarbons to generate the power. It takes a lot of water to run the power plants.
And there aren't any restrictions on these companies as well, is that correct?
Well, there are restrictions, but we also found that when farmers have to deal with allocations, usually the oil and gas industry, which uses a lot of water for high pressure, they call it fracturing, underground extraction, they don't have to deal with the same restrictions. And then there are also pollution issues.